Hello, and welcome to the Global Precipitation Measurement Mission Education website. Allow me to give you a brief tour of what is available. We'll look at some of the top menu items shortly, but let's first take a look at our main page. You'll see rotating featured resources, as well as website highlights and the latest tweets from our social media team. Links at the bottom of the page will allow you to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Back up at the top, notice the four main educational themes: the water cycle, weather and climate, technology, and societal applications. All of our educational resources are divided among these four broad categories. Our education and public outreach team has created a number of original materials, but also combed the internet looking for high-quality materials from other sources. In addition to the search feature, available in the blue box on many of the pages, there are a number of ways to browse materials. You can click on any of the themes, which then takes you to a short summary, a few highlighted items, and a more extensive listing of resources in this area. Items can also be sorted by type, audience, or date of addition to the website. For example, if you only want to see videos about the water cycle, select that option and apply. Each theme also has subtopics. Click on one of those and you'll get a list of resources in that topic, also able to be sorted by type and audience. You can click on any of the words highlighted in blue in an item description to browse other resources in that category, including by Next Generation Science Standards Disciplinary Core Idea. Let's now take a look at what each lesson plan has to offer. Each GPM original lesson plan includes a downloadable teacher guide, student capture sheet, and presentation in PowerPoint format. Some have additional supplementary items such as the pre- and post-assessment listed here. Please also note that for GPM original lesson plans, we can provide answer keys if you contact us using the form. Make sure you specify in the subject or body of the message which lesson you would like a key for. Returning to the home page, let's go back to that top menu bar I skipped over before. If you click on Current Activities, you can see many of our active outreach events and efforts. GPM Originals will provide a listing of all the materials developed by the GPM Education and Public Outreach team, which of course you can further sort by type or audience. Next are the Glossary and Frequently Asked Questions buttons, which will take you to those respective pages of the site. You may have noticed underlined words on pages we've already visited. Hovering over these terms will pop up the definition, and clicking will take you directly to that portion of the glossary. You can then also search for other materials that have that term as a keyword. Finally, the last button on the top menu will take you to the Mission website with the latest updates, data, and press releases, aimed at a general audience rather than just educators. I hope this tour has been useful, and please use the contact form to get in touch with us for any further questions you may have.